I've been in this industry for quite some time. I've been doing this for about 25 years. For the first 22 of those, I was with partners like Converge, up in Canada, though. And more recently, in the last 5 years, I've joined the social systems. And my job is to help customers and our partners help you guys find best-in-class solutions and make sure you're using them the right way to get the most out of them. For this presentation, I'm going to take a bit of a past, present, future look at this, what the SO system SOLIDWORKS is doing around AI. So let's take a short trip down memory lane and go into the past. And SOLIDWORKS is already pretty smart. And we've got a lot of functionality, and year over year, SOLIDWORKS has always led the way of making a design tool easy to use, but they're always looking at ways to do better. Now, there's a bunch of commands up here. I'm not going to go through all of them today. I'll point out a couple. Hopefully, if you don't recognize some of these commands on the left, definitely reach out. Reach out to Converge and ask, what was Scott talking about, these cool, advanced, automated ways of working?